Welcome to Room Tour Part 3. This time I'll show you the amenities, the pool and the gym and the things here around my condo. So here are the post boxes. If you get official letter or post, you will get it here. Here you have a multi-purpose room where you can watch a movie or something like this. They have a big screen. Here you can see, you can meet with friends and watch movies, for example, playing karaoke and so on. Toilets. Here's an information desk, but it's mostly empty. You must go to the downstairs information. A model of this building. Really nice and spacious place for meeting some friends here, having conversation if you not want to meet them in your room. Also with free Wi-Fi. Here's the gym. So I hope it's open. Yes. Because I was not so early here. Pool. Pool. Ah. Pool, Frank. Pool. So here's the gym. Here for the heavy boys who needs something like this. Treadmills and several machines. So if you need an early workout, you can go here. Pull and push, I always make wrong. This looks cool, but I'm not sure if it's used in any logical way, but it's cool. I will not complain. Here's the kids area, and if you want to have fun time with your kid, or your kid want to have fun time and you want to relax, just go here and have fun. So let us go outside. Press, Frank, press. So here's the pool. It's really early, so I think it's completely empty. Here's the kids' pool. There's a big one. There's another small pool. It's really nice. It's an infinity pool, and on this side there's glass. I will show you later. It's really interesting. You can make movies from there. And the guy checking the water. This is always good. If you are relaxed here and a little bit bored, you can count the trains here. This is the rail link to the airport. So it's funny to see passing them here when you're sitting here or hanging over the border. Over there is a jacuzzi. And this pool area is really nice and relaxing. The area around is not so exciting, but it is what it is. So I will show you the jacuzzi and the glass front. This is really nice if you want to make some special photos with your partner or for yourself. You need a timer then. You can make here really cool photos because you can see underwater. I like that. And there's the train, the city line. The blue line, this is the slower one, not the express line. Here's the jacuzzi. Sadly, I don't know how the jacuzzi work. If it starts automatic the whole day, or if you must say somewhere that they start this, you know what I mean, this water lines, so you get your massage. Maybe it starts at a special time, I have no clue. I'll not try this right now, but I will. A little sightseeing platform. And here's something I will show you from another way. This is really interesting. Around this building is a running path. So if you like doing jogging, you can do it here without leaving the building, and you must not run on the streets. This is somehow nice because we all know the streets are a little bit bumpy sometimes, and especially if you do jogging and you're too lazy to go to a park, this is maybe a good alternative. I will go one round with you. Thank you for watching the video. My goal is to reach 1000 subscribers in 2022. If you like what I do, then feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.